At kita ko sa iyong mga mata kung bakit pinili mo siya. At yun ang masakit. Kasi alam mo na yung taong pinagpalit ka, that person is a way better person than you. And you can see and understand why. And the only thing that is running through your head is you're not enough. And you wish you were. Masakit, mahirap. Pero you're helpless. Wala kang magagawa. You really see the reason as to why this person pinagpalit ka sa iba. Mahirap labanan ang tadhana. Ang hirap makita yung taong sa tingin mo ay para sa'yo, nakalaan pala para sa iba. The hardest decision that you're gonna have to live with the rest of your life is ipapaubaya mo yung tao na yun sa iba. Kasi kala mo sa kanya ka, hindi pala kayo para talaga sa isa't isa. At nung nakita mong masaya siya, ganun naman yung sakit na nakita mo at nadadama. If ever you have been able to relate to this, in that this is a lost love you wish you would want to have, but you were not able to get it. Know that somehow there are also a lot of people who thinks that you are the one for them, but it was not the case. Here's what I wanted to tell you, na kung kaya mong gawin ang lahat ng bagay na yun para sa maling tao, isipin mo na lang kung ginawa mo yun doon sa taong para talaga sa'yo. Huwag kang mag-alala kung ipinaubaya mo man yung taong mahal na mahal mo sa iba. Because there will come a time wherein when you're walking down the aisle, looking at the love of your life, you'll realize why it did not work with anybody else. At magpapasalamat ka at pinaubaya mo yung tao na yun sa iba. Kasi meron pang isa na mas deserve ka.